Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Anyone is seeing my channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Don't miss another update. Today we look into an God-gifted wonder fruit, pomegranate. Mainly it is a good tonic for indigestion problem medicines, heart-related problems, livers and kidney. Immunity booster, rich in antioxidants. Pomegranate is a great way to support overall health and help to prevent the diseases. Carnivore meat eaters may find tapeworm or its eggs present in intestine. Can drink pomegranate juice daily 2 times. It helps to bring outside while passing the stool. Vomit sensation, indigestion problem, decreased appetite. Facing those problems, they can take 10 to 15 milliliters of pomegranate juice mixed with 1 spoon of honey. Drink 2 to 3 times a day up to 2 to 3 months. Suffering from diarrhea, mucus in a stool, take 50 milliliter of pomegranate juice alternate hours in a day. It controls the dehydration problem. When you are having fever, sore throat, drink pomegranate juice. It helps to build the immunity power in the body. Dry pomegranate outer skin, black pepper, pink salt, make fine powder. Use as a tooth powder daily instead of toothpaste. Pomegranate peels fights acne, pimples, wrinkles. It acts as a natural moisturizer, hydrates and protects your skin from pollutants and other environmental toxins. It is an excellent home remedy for tonsil pain. Take a handful of sun-dried pomegranate peels and boil them in a water. Now strain the mixture and allow it to cool for a while. Next, gargle with this water often to get relief from sore throat and tonsil pains. To keep bones strong, here is a magical treatment. Add 2 spoons of sun-dried pomegranate peel powder to a glass of warm water and mix well. You can also add a spoonful of lemon juice and pinch of salt to make taste better. Drink this juice at night for better results. Test tube studies have shown that pomegranate peel extract limits the growth of some types of cancer cells, including breast, oral, colon, prostate, and liver cancer cells.